learned members of the Executive Council. With the blessings of Lord Dhanvantari, the god of Ayurveda medicine, I wish to lay some points for your kind consideration. The university is in the upcoming stage, and I feel this is the time when I can put forth some points through this forum, which will need the attention of the August Council and the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand. After going through the website of the university, I came to know that all the activities of Ayurveda are concentrated in the Garhwal region of Uttarakhand, that too in the plains. There are 4 Ayurvedic colleges in the plains which are affiliated with this university. Conspicuously, none in Kumaon. Similarly, out of the 2 homeopathic colleges affiliated with the university, one is in Kumaon and one is in Garhwal, both in the plains. 2 university campuses are also in Haridwar, that is in the plains, and none in Kumaon. I am glad to read the website that as the first Vice Chancellor of Dr. S.P. Misra has started discussions with the eminent scientists and Ayurveda experts about the policy and planning for the development of the university. I wish only to add that Kumaon is also rich in medicinal herbs, and I hope the Ayush department is working on these herbs, and I hope the Ayush department is working on these herbs and medicinal plants in order to give a level playing field to the people of Kumaon, especially from the hill region. I wish to request the learned members of the Executive Council to kindly consider whether establishment of an Ayurveda college is feasible in Kumaon in the hill region in private or government sector. For the development in Ayurveda, establishment of academic facilities are essential. This is provided in the Ayurveda Act. We in Ranikhet have 27 acres of government land with building etc. This land used to house the office of the pharmaceutical expert of the Government of India. Now this place is vacant, as this office has been shifted from here long ago. So I request to kindly consider whether establishing an Ayurveda college is feasible at this place. Alternatively, I can also suggest that in Ranikhet we have Baba Hera Khan Ayurvedic Hospital, which has almost all the facilities of Ayurveda college, including beds for patients. I think we can approach the administration to establish or affiliate it as a government or government-aided institution. More beneficial may be the establishment of the 3rd campus of the university in the hill region of Kumaon. In fact, I had some discussion with the Vice Chancellor, sir, and he also told me that a campus can be established in Kumaon as well. More beneficial may be the Uttarakhand. I am confident our Chief Minister Sri Harish Rawat would like to consider these proposals. Uttarakhand was conceived as a hill state. We should not forget that the topography of Uttarakhand is divided between hills and the plains. Hill development is paramount but is lagging behind, though it has always been the priority of the CM. I would like to bring all these points in the knowledge of the Chief Minister for his urgent consideration, so that Kumaon Hills area also develops in the Ayurveda field. After getting your nod, I would further discuss this matter with the CM. I would also like to point out that Ayurveda is our old age medicinal practice. Even today, a chronic patient who is almost on deathbed is advised to consult an Ayurveda as a last resort. He goes to an Ayurveda after exhausting all the medical avenues, including super specialist of the allopathic branch. Many times we have seen that the patient recovers. In such cases, can we not term this as the work of an extra super specialist? That explains why due importance should be given at the government level to the development of the Ayurveda. I have heard about Siddha system of medicine, but I have not seen anywhere whether this system is being practiced in Uttarakhand. Please Please enlighten. About this, the word which I have used, super specialist. So we had a discussion with the learned members here prior to the start of the meeting. Actually, I told that one of my friends, Mr. Puran Singh Mehra, he is an ex-MLA and brother-in-law of the Chief Minister, and he is the elder brother of Srimati Renuka Rawat, wife of the Chief Minister. So he is suffering from some sort of honeycombing of the lungs. So in case we can, yes, he is suffering. I told him yes about it. He is suffering from that. He says that whenever cough is generated, naturally it goes to the lungs, and there the pores they get stuck. So naturally, in view of the fact that I told, I feel that it is just extra super speciality in many cases. So why not do a favor to help my friend and the brother-in-law of the Chief Minister, in case it can be done. Probably I at least will be able to do. Probably I cannot promise, but I will be able to do a lot for this institution with which I have now been associated. I also wish to make a suggestion that the website of the university should be updated on a daily basis. उसमें अभी तो updated not to be updated लिखा हुआ है कई जगह. Because you see, layman like me cannot understand this Ayurveda, and naturally we have to find out from somewhere, and the best place could be the website of that institution. So I feel it should contain exhaustive knowledge of Ayurveda and result of research so far made by different institutions. For the purpose, website should also provide for writing of blogs by Ayurveds. I also write blogs, and I have felt writing blogs that improves the quality of the work which has been written in that. Because we interact with each other, we try to read it, we others says blogs, and we can improve our own blogs. So writing blogs of Ayurveda, that will be a very important thing, I think. Yes. Next is let this website, and I feel this website should be worth emulation by other departments of the government. In case we take up this challenge, probably it will. हो गया ना पूरा. एक सेकेंड और साहब, मैं थैंक्स कर दूं आपको. In the end, मैंने इस हिसाब से बनाया था कि ये नौबत ना आए. In the end, I thank this learned and distinguished gathering of eminent personalities that have given me an opportunity to speak out mind on a subject on which I have no command. Thank you once again.
बहुत बढ़िया है. This is a very good proposal, but council and I in particular